Hi guys, it's me Risa. How you doing? Welcome to my kitchen. I hope you're doing great on your health journey. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a really simple, easy, healthy, delicious turkey bacon egg muffin recipe. I'm all about the egg muffins. I love them for breakfast, brunch, lunch, snacks, after a workout. Okay, they are super delicious and they are easy to make. You'll see we'll whip them up in 1, 2, 3, and then I will show you the end product. So let's start. The first thing you're going to do is I have this huge rock grill that I got at Costco. And now this is up to you if you want to do this or not, but I love making veggies that are stir-fried. And I just take a couple of Vidalia onions and whatever you have in the house. So I had some zucchini, broccoli, red and yellow peppers, and I just put them on this huge rock grill with a little bit of olive oil spray, and I got them to a nice crispy and dark texture because it just adds a lot of flavor. And I could add my turkey bacon on it as well, which I've just chopped up, and about 6 slices. If you want to use less or more, it's up to you. All right. And so this nice big rock grill is $30 at Costco. I do not work for Costco, but I love their products. And I have 5 extra large eggs from, yeah, you got it, Costco. And we're just going to whisk them up really quickly. And you know, I love things that just go into one bowl. That's it. All right, and we're gonna add a cup of egg whites. All right, because we wanna make a good amount. And we're gonna add a cup of almond milk or whatever milk you want. And then we're gonna add our spices, okay? So on here, now it depends what you like. And of course you can add what you want, but I'm adding a little bit of this delicious smoked paprika. And I have some pink Himalayan salt, some onion powder, some garlic powder. Oh, about I would say a teaspoon, all right? A teaspoon of each. And the oregano, about a quarter of a teaspoon, quarter teaspoon of some black pepper. And I have this delicious seasoning that I get at Costco, and I'm just going to show you the roasted garlic and pepper, but you can buy it. It is from Clubhouse. Okay, so again, it's versatile if you want to use other seasonings. And you just throw it in the one big bowl and whisk it up. All right. Now I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of flour. Actually, I'm going to wait with the flour. I'm going to add my veggies next. And honestly, you can add your ingredients whatever order you want. There really isn't an order. I'm just doing it like this. But again, it really doesn't matter. Whisk it up. Now I'm going to add the flour because I want it to incorporate, and I'm just using a 1/3 cup of the self-rising flour because it already has a little bit of baking powder, but I don't really think that matters that much, and the flour will help to bind it. So you know, if you're on WW Wellness That Works, the points will determine on what program you're on. Obviously if you're on the green plan, then you're counting the eggs as well. And depending on what ingredients, how much turkey bacon that you want. And that's 6 smart points for 6 slices. And I'm using some mixed low-fat cheese, and I'm using a 1/3 cup. So that's about 4 smart points. And I'm going to probably add a little bit of cheese on top. Why not? I like to splurge. So it could be about 2 smart points, 1 smart point. Again, you'll put it through your calculator and you can decide again how many products you want in it, what ingredients rather, And if you want to lower the smart points, you can use egg whites, more egg whites, and more, or egg creations, egg beaters. Now preheat your oven to about 400 degrees and spray your muffin tin really well, okay? You don't want stickage. I don't like it to stick. So now we're just going to add to each one, okay? And I always add a little bit, and then I can always go back and add more. Again, you saw how fast this was. Now you can make, I like to cook up my veggies even the day before and have them ready, especially if you know you're going to be making this recipe or any kind of egg muffins, quiche. It's nice to have. In fact, you can keep them in your freezer. I like to just make a load of like onions and mushrooms and have them in my freezer. And I'm just going to show you that I'm almost done adding this in. Really quick and easy. So that's a tip. So if you want to just have that ready in your freezer so that you have some delicious, I don't know about you, but onions and just fried onions alone are delicious. And you could use any onion you like, to be honest, okay? I love Vidalia onions, but again, you can use whatever onion you want. And this makes quite a bit, actually. I'm going to just take out, there's a little bit more of the turkey bacon. I want to make sure that I get enough in each one. So, you know, if you don't want to add the veggies to the bowl, you can add it right in your pan as well, okay? So that's another option that you can do. Now, the other thing is you could sprinkle on a little bit more cheese on top, you know, like just like a pinch. And I like a little bit of cheese on top. You could add a little bit of other seasoning on top if you want. Okay, the bagel seasoning, I love that. But any kind of cheese, this is just a low-fat Romano cheese that I have here in Canada. And I'm going to add these to my oven, and I'll be back to show you how amazing and delicious they turn out. See you soon. I'm back with my delicious turkey bacon egg muffins. Oh my God, I can't wait to sink my teeth into them. They smell and they look delicious. I just wanted to mention that with regards to the amount of veggies, you can put in a half a cup, a third of a cup. You can stir fry them and grill them, or you can have them raw, but just cut them up really small, okay? And with regards to the smart points on the purple and blue plan of WW Wellness That Works, it works out to about 16 smart points, depending on the ingredients you use. And so it would be 1 smart point each. On the green program, it's a lot more if you're using regular eggs, unless you decide to use egg beaters, egg creations, and more egg whites. And then you can lower down the point. So it would be 2 smart points. Still very good option. You can make these also into minis and have them as an appetizer, again, as a snack. But I love them like this. They are a nice size with a nice big salad I'm having it with. But you could have it with veggies, raw veggies and dip. You can have it with a stir fry, grilled vegetables. Okay, so it is versatile how you want them. They're great as a afternoon snack, after a workout snack, breakfast, lunch, brunch, even dinner. Okay. I like to take a knife and simply just go around like I do my other egg muffin recipes. And I take a fork and you just gently scoop it under and hope that you don't break them. No, I'm just kidding. You just have to be gentle. And I let them cool first before I take them out. But I do like to take my knife and go around them right away after they're out of the oven. So that helps to prevent sticking. I hope you love my recipe and you please share my channel, Risa Weiner, with anybody that's on a health journey. And if they're not, hopefully they'll be on one. They can be on any program. My recipes are versatile and they're all written under each video as well. So comment, like, share, tell me what you think, ask me questions. If I forgot an ingredient, you know I do, please tell me and I will edit my video, which you guys have been so gracious helping me with. So take care. Love you guys. Bye for now.